In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a loading screen for your Wix website using Wix Editor on Google Chrome. A loading screen not only enhances the look of your site, but also provides visitors with a seamless and engaging experience while your content loads. So let's dive right in and explore how you can set it up with ease. First things first, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you have it up and running, head over to the Wix editor. Make sure you're logged into your account and have your site open in the editor. Now you're ready to begin tailoring that eye-catching loading screen. Next, look towards the menu at the top of your screen and click on Site. This drop-down menu is your gateway to all the background magic that will elevate your site's design. From here, go ahead and select Loading Screen. This is where the fun truly begins as you step into the realm of loading screen customization. Once you've accessed the loading screen settings, you'll be presented with two options. You can choose from Wix's selection of pre-designed loading screen templates, or if you prefer a more personal touch, upload your own. The pre-designed options are great if you're looking for something professional and sleek without spending extra time on design. However, uploading your own can give your website that unique flair that makes it truly yours. Now that you've chosen your loading screen, it's time to personalize it. Wix provides you a delightful range of customization options. You'll have the freedom to adjust the colors to match your website's theme, alter the animations to make it as dynamic or subtle as you want, and edit the text that appears to communicate any messages to your visitors as they wait for the main content to load. Once you're satisfied with your design, make sure to click the Save button to ensure all your hard work is not lost. After saving, you'll be invited to publish your changes. Doing so will activate your new loading screen, making it visible to everyone who visits your site. This step is crucial as it ensures your visitors will experience the polished touch of your customized loading screen. And there you have it. Your very own personalized loading screen is now live for all to see. By following these straightforward steps, you've managed to elevate your site's user experience to a whole new level. I hope you find this guide helpful as you continue to enhance your Wix site. Thank you for watching and happy website designing.